Hey, what's going on, Toros fans? We're back for another Beyond the Blue Line. The boys are coming on for an amazing weekend last weekend that saw them take 3 out of a possible 4 points on the weekend. They started off on Friday night on 2-1 overtime loss against the Minnesota Wilderness, but battled back strong on Saturday night, securing an 8-3 victory right here at the Mid-City Ice Arena. Jason Williams, 4 goals on the weekend, 3-goal hat trick last weekend, was named the West Division Star of the Week. We're going to see if these boys can continue tonight. They're facing off against the Alexandria Blizzard, who has not played a game yet. So we'll see if that gives the boys an advantage tonight. Let's get ready, let's get set, let's hop into it. Who you got, Grant? Who's taking it?
What? This team?
Who?
This team, probably.
The dream inside.
Probably me. I'm gonna get back in.
It's all
You're gonna get back in?
known.
All right.
Run till I gotta walk, crawl till I hit a wall. Never see me fall, I'ma get it all. Climb till my feet are up, push till I see the top. I won't ever stop, never see me drop.
I was born to be a legend. I will not surrender. My legacy remembered. I was born to be a legend.
I'm a legend. Time is running out. Don't waste another second. This is the moment. You gotta take it. Come on. Fall till I'm out of faith. Die on another day. Still I'm not afraid. Scars on my runway. Never been man-made. God like renegade. Fire in my veins.
I was born to be a legend. And I will not surrender. My legacy remembered. I was born to be a legend.
I'm a legend. Come on.
I was born to be a legend.
Come on.
I will not surrender.
I'm a legend. Come on.
Tonight, several of the guys he knows as he kind of takes a little chop at Benson. Looks like Benson and Buchanan already getting into it. We'll see if they drop the gloves off the draw. And the Toros open it. Ertl will drop this one back. Here's Mason Buchanan. Buchanan will work his way around. He'll get dumped. Benson will pick this one up. As Mason Alex, he'll get taken down as that one is up in the far side corner. Adelano try to gather that one. Lori puts a hit on to try to use the body to gather it. Calamine will redirect that one. Here comes Alexandria back the other way. A little bit of a 2-on-1 developing. Bollinger knocks the man down. Item of the draw. As Blaze Bauer will get knocked out. Persig will win that one over. Blaze Bauer with the shot. He scores! Blaze Bauer! The Blue Heron Bar and Grill face-off as Luke Gustafson will take the draw. Gustafson will play this one over to Dominic Despinez. Back up front. Gustafson scores! Across the blue line, Gibson still looking for his first goal. He thought he'd get the first one tonight. He still has an opportunity to get the first one of the season. Here's Grant Harder with the redirection out front, and they score! TJ Gibson! 8 seconds left to go. Benson with it over, and Connor Persig drops the hammer. Buchanan plays this one. That one ends up right in front of the Toros bench. And Buchanan will knock the man down right at the blue line. out. That's Mason City Toros on YouTube. Check out Beyond the Blue Line. And they score! Toros starting to catch up in the shot department, 34-30. Gibson will settle this one down just outside of the blue line. And Williams knocks the man down. Alexandria with it over to the face-off dot. Smith with a shot on net. Played back out front. Alexandria still controlling it, down to 2:55 left to go. Cross crease. And Nord finds us through traffic. Great save by to the far side corner. That one played over. Gavin Nord will find it and will win this one. Toros victorious tonight, 4-3.